How to fix not recommendable Facebook page. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook page on your phone. Tap on menu on the bottom right corner. Now, here you need to scroll down and tap on Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Continue to Report, that is on the very bottom. Tap on Include a Report. Then here you want to go ahead and tap on Pages. Scroll down to find Pages, and when you see it, you want to go ahead and tap on it. Now in the description box, go ahead and write what is wrong with your Facebook and then what can Facebook help you with. After that, you can take a screenshot of what is wrong and then tap on Send. After some time, Facebook will reach out to you, and that is how to fix not recommendable Facebook page. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.